average precipitation. Precipitation normally expected during this period is around 0.21 inches. Also, warmer than average temperatures are expected during this period. The average high temperatures are in the upper teens while average lows are in the lower single digits. At 2 p.m. at Fargo's Hector Field, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 0 degrees, the dew point -7, with a relative humidity of 72%. The wind was west at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.44 inches and falling. At the Moorhead Airport, it was fair. The temperature was 0 degrees, the dew point -8, with a relative humidity of 71%. The wind was northwest at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.44 inches and falling.